Yeah, we're gonna do the like side missions, and then we're gonna do the harder trial.
Hey, still pussy, I want to read your bomb.
Use the rotating doors to enter the trial shuttle.
I'm reporting you for racism.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, you know, just about to get like,
Ready for today's class?
Fisted.
I think so.
Can't wait to get fisted. Let's go.
Where are you
You
sitting,
want to get your dick
Toxic?
drilled?
Nick can be over there
Coffee
alone.
milk with me too. Don't tempt me with a good time.
Yeah, hopefully they go after me.
I hope they do.
Did somebody just talk you through how to ride a bike?
Yeah.
How to make love? How to fight?
Yep.
The fundamentals take experience, and that is my gift to you.
You gonna show us how to sex?
No, I think he said that's bad.
Yo, Nick, chill.
Oh no, it's a lady.
Hey, look, it's my day to
She's
prom.
licking the drill.
Low key, she kind of looks like Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, I got
Oh, it's
drilled
like
in the
all
dick.
in my
How
face.
nice. Thank
Oh,
you.
she just put a mask on my face.
Okay, I like being drilled in the dick. That
You got drilled in the
Oh, you
dick?
got drilled in dick? Was
Yeah.
it by a kid?
I plead the fifth.
Uh-huh. Toxic,
Yeah,
we
I
need to
think
get
you
away
got
from
drilled
this
in dick by a
fucker.
kid.
Hey, I
That
neither
guy's
confirm
weird.
nor deny it, but I mostly deny it.
Oh,
Yeah.
what the fuck?
I know, Dr. Dove. Children, hide
Uh,
yourselves. We've been invaded and they want to hurt
uh,
you. Twist your minds. Duck and cover. Don't let them find you.
Oh, that's a mine. Okay. I just bashed a lady over the head with a brick.
This game's asking us to grind bad children.
I think I'm a hard pass on that.
yo. Dude, I thought you were the fucking, like, AI version of you, bro. You just walked at me menacingly. So where are the children that we should grind?
I played the fifth again.
Why are you pleading the fifth? What'd you do?
Nothing.
We just started, Nick. What the fuck did you do? Ah! Oh my god! Ah!
Oh,
Buddy, hey, brother.
Hey, Toxic, that was the guy that makes you insane, right?
I didn't see him. You were just running at me, so I ran away.
Oh, hello. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Hey, how's it going, buddy? Ah, get away!
Where are you? Wish I knew.
Oh, hey, John. Hey, John.
Oh, hey, how's it going? Do you have an antidote by any chance?
No, I don't.
Oh, fuck!
But not an antidote.
Uh-oh, uh-oh,
I don't
uh-oh.
think I mixed my chocolate milk very well.
Yeah, that's really unfortunate. Yeah, you should go out that way.
Behind you guys.
I need an antidote!
He found me. He found me. I'm being down. Oh, yeah, I'm just getting stabbed. That's alright.
Found a poster. No antidote.
Ow!
Ow! Ah! Woo!
Johnny boy, come and help me!
What?
Help me break this.
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. We were supposed to look for children. Did you forget your assignment?
Yeah, I forgot the assignment. Oh my god, it's a naked guy! Toxic, you're right. I see his butt cheeks.
Yeah, and if you see his butt cheeks, you'll see his dick.
Ooh.
Watch out. Unless you're into that.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. Ow!
The guy that makes you crazy is on me.
Ow!
I'll get over. There we go.
I found a child.
That's pretty crazy. I saw this dude's dick. Wait, where are we supposed to? We're supposed to take him back to the front?
Yeah, we need to take him back to the grinder.
Shut up,
And
kid.
drop him, though.
Ah! Where's the front even? Oh, hey, ow!
Gaming.
That is me. I just healed you, bro.
The fuck do we even go?
Right over here, right over here. Oh, there's a...
Oh, I found
Oh,
another
that's a
kid.
trap. That's
Yep, open that door. Yeah. No, don't tell him that.
Wait, how do I get the kid?
Press switch to
Press
unlock.
switch to unlock. What switch?
I fucking wish someone. I know you.
I pressed it. Did this kid scream? Dude, his dick is just hanging out and I can't stop staring.
Always.
Huh? Yeah. It looked at me first, though.
all the wires blind.
Dick swinging in the wind. Okay, I grinded a kid.
Nice.
We got the one at red, though.
I'm going back.
Far away, I can't even hear you.
I'm at the carousel right now. I got one.
Oh, okay.
Ah! I need help! I dropped the kid off. Oh, I can see him. He's pinged for me. Yeah. Where was the last kid at?
He's in red. Just got him out.
Oh, he's in that building?
Yeah. I can't see.
Oh, do you need a battery?
No, we're just a kid upstairs. But the enemy's coming upstairs.
Oh yeah, and this is where the enemy is too, just so you know. John, watch out.
Are there only one set of stairs?
Do you have the kid with you?
I do. Ah, it's the crazy guy!
He's on me. Crazy guy's on me.
Noisy little glowworm.
Oh!
Watch out, there's a lot of people coming. We gotta run.
Yep,
Oh, no,
yep, yep,
behind
yep,
you,
yep,
behind you.
yep, yep, yep.
Oh. I got blown up.
It's fine, it's fine.
That was a bomb.
Come on, Nick!
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, there's someone in that locker right there. You see that? To
Oh
the-
yeah.
I didn't- I literally said that.
How do I? What? Ah! What the fuck? Woo!
I didn't even go to the locker.
We didn't see her the entire time. What the hell?
I did.
You did, where was
She
she
was
at?
chasing me at one point.
I didn't see her that entire game.
I have no idea why I'm getting a fucking low ass grades. I fucking found all the propaganda flyers, a file, fucking 3 of the children.
Yeah, I only grinded one child.
Uh-huh. Only grinded one shot.
And then you grinded more than me.
What? I grinded one child too. We grinded the same amount of children.
And then Nick grinded the most.
Yeah,
And I still
what do you have to say for yourself, Nick?
I still got the middest grade. What the fuck?